Hello everybody, today we are going to do unboxing of Creta Fine Art soft pastel pencils. Now I am going to open this. Here they gave us a free sandpaper to test our to test the texture of our pencils, and this is the manual on how to use it. Here is also a QR code for free video lessons for this pastel pencils. Now I am going to use these pencils on the given sandpaper. Sandpaper look like this. Okay, now I am to open this wrapper. These are really well packed actually. Now I am using the light blue color. These pencils have really nice textures and these are working very well. I recommend these pencils to all the artists out there. These are amazing. Now let's see how they can blend. You can see how we can blend these pencils very easily, and they can go very well with the soft pastels and hard pastels as well. You can use charcoal pencils with them also, and these are very useful in creating detailed work with pastels like making leaves, eyes of shapes, etc. So thank you very much for watching our video, and please do subscribe our channel and like our video and comment down your thoughts about this video. Thank you.